The journey begins at dawn as the Rusty's explorer prepares for a historic recovery mission.
The ship maintains speed across the open Atlantic. In this vast seascape, the true scale of the search area.
The navigator carefully unfolds the map, scanning for the exact location of the wreck.
Knowing the pressure of the deep sea is unforgiving, the technician meticulously ensures every bolt is tight before launch.
Descending deeper now, we anticipate the first glimpse of the lost cargo hidden in the crushing darkness below.
Tension rises in the control room as the feed flickers, battling the interference of the deep.
The target is finally identified. A surge of excitement washes over me as we witness the discovery of the lost container. The pilot's precision is paramount here. With careful maneuvering, the claw engages the rusted mechanism, releasing decades. The recovery mission begins now. The divers feel the rush immediately as they plunge into the choppy waters. We follow the dive team as they leave the vibrant coral reef behind, transitioning into the deeper waters of the recovery zone ahead. The divers work quickly to secure the buoyancy devices to the car's bumper and begin the inflation process. Against the odds, it broke the surface. We finally did it. Precision is key as the crew prepares to hoist the legend onto the deck.
The restoration work ahead is immense. Getting this car back to its former glory will take countless hours.
The first stage of cleaning begins as a high-pressure water hose blasts the side of the car, peeling away layers of mud to reveal the red paint underneath.
With the sunset guiding us to the mainland, the feeling of anticipation grows stronger. Soon.
And with that, the Mustang is officially loaded and ready for the first leg of its journey to the restoration team.
Returning to the world of lights and speed, the city embraces the roar of the engine as we tear through the neon canyon.
Welcome to the facility. After the chaos of the ocean, this spotless environment is exactly what we need to begin the restoration.
There she is, rusted and battered, but finally awake. This is where the restoration truly begins.
The disassembly requires a delicate touch. Carefully, he pries away decades of decay from the rusted metal.
Using a powerful shop vacuum, the team systematically cleared the cockpit. Piles of sand gave way to reveal the vintage dashboard and controls.
This isn't just surface rust. This hole goes right through the floor pan, compromising the chassis. It absolutely requires immediate attention.
The mechanic cuts through the thick bundle of corroded electrical harnesses, lifting the clump out of the engine bay.
The chemical bath immediately begins to strip away decades of corrosion, revealing the pristine metal beneath the rust.
Wow, look at that emerge. The rust is completely gone, and the original red paint reappears, leaving a perfectly smooth surface ready for priming.
The automated system applies the gray primer with micron-level precision, ensuring a flawless base layer as the vehicle rotates smoothly.
The painter feels the rhythm of the spray, ensuring a smooth finish as the gloved hand the paint gun.
He's ensuring the metallic flake concentration matches the original racing red. This custom mix, swirling with gold and silver glitter.
As the robotic sprayers apply the deep metallic red, the iconic color returns, and with it, the car's personality comes back to life.
Under the intense heat, the paint cures. This is the final stage, the moment the restoration becomes permanent.
The team leaves nothing to chance, meticulously checking every bolt and fluid line.
The technician utilizes cutting-edge laser welding technology to reinforce the frame, creating a series of perfect spot welds along the metal joint. It might look chaotic, but there's a raw craftsmanship required for these custom pieces. It's mesmerizing to watch the metal take shape.
Here, the heavy welding of the wheel arches begins. The focus is on creating a bond strong enough to withstand high-speed racing.
The probe moves along the pipe, displaying a steady green wave on the oscilloscope.
Structural integrity confirmed. Perfect weld.
This thick undercoating is meticulously applied to the wheel well, ensuring maximum protection against future corrosion and rust.
We admire the precision machined components. Each piston is meticulously checked before being placed onto the assembly line.
The mechanic slides the steering rack into place. With the parts perfectly aligned, she uses the electric impact wrench to secure the bolts.
As you can see, even the smallest details receive professional care and attention.
The precision required for a high-performance engine is evident as the mechanic meticulously checks the crankshaft clearance with a feeler gauge.
The speed and accuracy of this assembly line are truly marvelous. Watch as the robotic arms install the pistons with perfect, simultaneous timing.
This isn't just mechanics, it's art. The way the light plays off these heat-treated titanium pipes, the craftsmanship is absolutely stunning.
The technician focuses on the critical timing, carefully stretching the heavy-duty rubber belt over the pulleys and gears.
In the sterile environment of the paint booth, the robotic arm applies the metallic red finish, transforming the engine block into a gleaming showpiece.
And this is where we transition to true luxury. The thick black suede, precisely cut for comfort in the new racing seats. It really makes you appreciate the steady hand required for this red contrast stitching.
The new Sparco seat slides right onto the tracks, and just like that, the cockpit is transforming into a functional workspace.
The wheel snaps on, the switches are flipped, and I can feel it. The car is almost ready to drive.
The addition of this high-end sound system brings modern entertainment to this classic racer, a welcome upgrade.
Here we see the final wiring harness being heat shrunk. The technician meticulously seals the connections on this complex bundle of colored wires.
This right here is the electronic control unit, or ECU. It's essentially the brain of the car being put back into place.
After months of work, the Legend finally stands on its own wheels once again.
With the new seal carefully pressed into place, the windshield is now fully enclosed and the car is protected once again.
Securing the carbon fiber wing ensures maximum downforce. As it extends, the vehicle achieves aerodynamic readiness.
And just like that, the tires are bolted on. You have to appreciate the classic racing look of these Goodyear tires and the chrome rims.
The system is filled to the brim with coolant. Now the car is ready for heat generation.
The finishing touches really make it shine. The polished chrome exhaust, the subwoofer system in the trunk, and of course, the Rust-eze logo.
A perfect score on the paint thickness test. 100/100 confirms the absolute perfection of the finish.
Observing the final door shut test. That is the solid sound of a well-built machine, precise and secure.
That's it, a new record. 100.0 gloss.
The wheels are just a blur now. That sound is unbelievable, pure raw power.
This is the final foam bath. The thick suds pull away the last layer of dust, preparing the car perfectly for the show.
And now, the final dusting of the musty ZN spoiler. We ensure that not a single speck of dust remains.
The team celebrates a monumental achievement as the project reaches its perfect conclusion.
In the organized chaos of the service bay, the car undergoes a rapid transformation. The crew's focused energy...
The integration of this modern technology into the classic frame is remarkable.
The moment we'd been waiting for. The car emerging from the shadows, ready for its first laps on the sun-drenched asphalt.
Oh yes, that is the perfect response. Incredible speed through the apex.
Fame is a fleeting thing, easily lost in the dust of time. But some legends, like this one, always find their way home.
It's incredible to watch the excitement this car brings to a new generation of fans.
how challenging was the recovery phase shown here?
Extremely. The currents alone were a nightmare, but our divers executed the plan flawlessly.
And here she is, a champion once again. The grand finale we always dreamed of.
Behold the mechanical heart. This V8 represents the pinnacle of engineering pride.
From the quiet solitude of the forest, back to the spotlight she goes, ready for the stage.